Crazy. That's how powerful these market makers are, you know? Once you think you know it, you don't know. And the thing is, one of the most important thing I learned in trading, first of all, patience, but second is take profit. Take fucking profit. A lot of people made a lot of gains, but a lot of people also lost a lot of money, And that's the thing. I'm here to try to prevent people making losses, right? And it starts all with being humble. Once I start acting out of this and disconnect myself from that, then you ask for it, So guys, as that said, let's go to the chart because a lot of things happens and I want to show you guys what actually happened and where we are now at the moment and what can we expect. So as that said, let's go to the chart. So guys, Ethereum, excuse me, BTC to USDT again. And what actually happened is I posted this morning, this possibility for a long position. I entered here on this retracement to eventually catch the ride up, but I didn't catch the whole ride. I paid myself somewhere here and I was thinking, shit, I missed a lot of gains. But one thing I've learned is that I don't chase candles. So what I did is I paid myself here and I just let it play out and I was just watching the chart. So I'm very grateful that I didn't hold this position because this is why this market are so ruthless, A lot of liquidations here, but let's just disconnect from emotion and let's do our TA here, because what actually happened is when we go to the daily, can we see it? Yes. So what actually happened is we played on this 786 here, right? This one. Perfectly hit the 786. We went long. And yeah, But actually, what did they do? So we hit the 786, we went long, we made gains. I hope for the guys who made gains that they took profits and didn't stay in this long position because, or use a trailing stop. What I also know is that there are not so many exchanges where you can set up a trailing stop. So that's a little bit a thing, when you have to be careful with which exchange you work because, after all, it's all about your money. So the fact that you cannot use a trailing stop should say something to you already, right? But yeah, it depends on where your priorities are on why you're using an exchange, right? So as that said, what they did is they retraced this 786. They pumped the price up to this 786 to eventually dump down. Crazy, right? But this dump also came to the 786. That's interesting, right? So now we're going up again. So we retested this 786 on the 4 hour. So that means that we're bullish again. Weird, right? But I stay out of the markets because it's dangerous. But my technical analysis skills and experience say that we can go higher from now. So what they actually did is they created a bullish candle to eventually liquidate a lot of people. And now you see that retail is taking over. All this small, this big pumpage is institution, but this is retail. Like all, you know, they're just driving the price up bullish again. But you have to be careful because there's a possibility that they will sweep again, right? You know, it's now 10, almost 11 a.m. Something I also thought that Trump speaks at 11 p.m. So that's, I don't know if this is the morning or afternoon. It looks like the afternoon, but this can have a lot of impact on the markets, right? So be careful with trading. You know, crude oil inventories is coming out in 4 minutes, so just be careful. You know. So guys, you know, you can see I sold my position here, I sold my position here, and I sold my position here right before the dump. So yeah, you know, if you don't take profits, you get wrecked. So that's the thing, you know, that's the thing. So guys, you know, what can we expect now? Actually, I stay out of the market. It's unpredictable, you know, too much manipulation. But what you see is that they're creating pumpage to the 786 to eventually dump, and now you see retail is taking over. So we have bullish order flow again. So there's a possibility that we will see more upside. Right? Let me clean this chart one more time. So there's a possibility we have 1786 to break. Right? When you check, this is on this Fibonacci the 618, so we still have some room for this 786 to eventually create a divergence here, a strong divergence. So you know there's a lot of resistance here, so we can pump a little bit more to retrace this 786, create a strong bearish divergence to eventually come down. And when we come down, then we have to see if we can hold this 618 or this 786 to see more upside, because we need to get rid of this strong divergence, you know, this oversold RSI. It's so there that we will come down more, that's for sure. But if we retrace this 618, then we can go more higher, right? Because there's a lot of liquidity here still. So, you know, we just check it day by day. I made my gains for today. I reached my daily target. And luckily I didn't get wrecked, because, you know, if I was too greedy, I stayed in the market and I got wrecked too, you know. So yeah, guys, I feel sad for the guys who lost a lot of money, you know. And I know for sure that you guys will make it back if you keep watching my content and stick to the trading rules. I'm a little bit speechless, but yeah, I made a lot of gains. I'm very grateful, and my love goes out to the guys, to the ones who got wrecked and lost a lot of money. So as that said, guys, quick update. We have bullish order flow again. There's a possibility that we reject this 786 to create a strong divvy here on the RSI, because this is you know what I'm talking about. So, you know, there's a possibility that we will see more downside to eventually retrace this 618, 103.2k or 102.4k to go back up. You know, tomorrow is Friday, so that's an interesting day also. So tomorrow is Friday. So let me check if we have something for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a lot of fat folders also, fat events, red folders. So also be careful tomorrow with trading, but we have to check it, you know. I stay out of the markets, and I hope you all get over it and soon make a lot of gains. You know, as I said, I wish you all a very nice evening. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.